Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. Here's wishing all of you a very happy Thanksgiving. May God bless you all with immense peace and prosperity. To continue with the Thanksgiving theme from last episode, today we are going to cook a no bake and no cream cheese blueberry and lemon flavored cheesecake, wherein we are using paneer, which is Indian style cottage cheese, in place of cream cheese, so it becomes much more economical and very easy to cook in no time. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Please don't forget to post your comments on my YouTube comment section. Kindly like this video if you like it, and please hit the bell button so you get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get cooking.
For the cream cheese filling, we'll need about 1 heaped teaspoon of gelatin or 7 grams soaked in 2 tablespoons of water, 200 milliliters of fresh cream, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Use it wisely because we don't want this cream cheese filling to be too sweet, since we are going to top it with blueberry sauce. 10 to 12 Marie biscuits or graham crackers, 250 grams of malai paneer, which is made from full cream milk. Make sure to use fresh paneer to get the best results. The blueberry sauce, we need 150 grams of either fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Out of the 3 lemons, use 1 for the blueberry sauce and use the rest for the cream cheese filling. To begin with, crush your Marie biscuits or digestive cookies into a fine powder. Add melted butter to this powder and mix well. Fill 2 tablespoons of this mixture into silicone molds or any bowl in which you will be setting your cheesecake. Press this well with either a mini bowl or a glass like so. Let this freeze in the freezer for about half an hour. To make your cream cheesecake layer, blend together paneer or Indian style cottage cheese along with some condensed milk, fresh cream, pinch of salt, lemon juice and some gelatin, which is soaked in water for about 15 minutes. You may either use a blender at a low speed or you can use a hand mixer. Blend this into a homogeneous mixture like so. Now pour in 2 heaped tablespoons of your cream cheese filling over your biscuit layer. Make sure to leave some space at the top of the silicone mold in order to fill your blueberry sauce mixture. Give this a gentle tap to remove any air bubbles. Refrigerate this for an hour. To make your blueberry sauce, add some blueberries to a heated pan along with a little bit of jaggery. You may also use brown sugar or refined sugar if you prefer. Cook this on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. Add about 2 pinches of salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for an add-on flavor. I won't be blending this mixture because I want the blueberries to look whole on the cheesecake. Post 5 minutes of cooking this sauce, add 5 grams of gelatin, which is soaked in about 2 tablespoons of water, and mix it well. After setting your cream cheesecake in the refrigerator for an hour, spread about 2 tablespoons of blueberry sauce as a top layer on this cream cheesecake. Refrigerate this for about 2 hours. Post 2 hours of setting, gently pull out each cheesecake from your silicone mold. Serve this chilled.
Let's do a taste test. Want some? Please join me. Delicious. It's a perfect burst of flavors. The cream cheese filling was perfectly sweetened, and which is why it balances very well with the blueberry topping. So light because of paneer. The cream cheese makes it much heavier and you don't feel like eating more. But this one, I'm sure you can eat a big one. Must try. Enjoy.